How to log in Canva account. Open Canva application. You can see over here Canva has been opened. You can sign up for your account or you can also log in. Tap on the option continue with Google or continue with Facebook. Or you can tap on the option continue another way. Once you do that, you can see various login methods. Tap on the option of your choice. You can find additional options like email, Apple, Microsoft, and work email. I'm going to log in with email. If you also want to do that, enter the email address with which you created the account for yourself. Tap on the option continue. Wait for a while. A code will be sent to your email. Open the Gmail on your device. Find the email sent by Canva. Tap on it. In this email, you'll be able to see the login code. Memorize it or copy it. Go back to the Canva application. Enter the code over here. Wait for a while. Now you'll easily be logged into your Canva account. Like this, you can log in Canva account. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.